With this video, I'm going to show you how to add field entrances onto your field maps by way of attributes. So for this video, we're going to work with Tom Hansen. We're going to work with Kowal Farm. I have to click on the farm name, and then I'll click on the field name. Go down to Kowal's here on Highway 14, kind of northwest of Woodstock, Illinois. So here's our field boundary. And because we want to add a field attribute, we want to add an attribute to the field boundary, I need to go back to my tree and click on the field boundary itself. So if I was going to edit, so here's some of our field boundary editing tools. If I wanted to edit the boundary itself, I would click here and hover. You can see how the boundary turns red. My boundary is correct here, so I just want to add the field entrance by way of adding an attribute. So I'm just going to click on Add Attribute. I want to draw a point, and I want to make the entry point. It'll have different markers depending on what you want. So in this case, it's going to be the field entrance. Go ahead and click Add. So now there's an attribute listed here. You can add multiple attributes to the field. If it has another entrance, you can add more. If there's a driveway, you can add a line. In this case, I just have one field entrance. But you notice here it's not on the map yet. We actually have to place the attribute on the map. So to do that, I just click on the Edit button here next to the attribute name. And you'll see we have the edit functions over here. In this case, we have a point to draw a marker. So I'll click on that. And then I'm just going to click in the field where the entrance is. In this case, the entrance is in the southwest corner. Just going to click right there, and then I'm going to click Save. You'll see it when the boundary loads. See the entrance will appear as a flag on your map. And if you want to print that off to give it to an applicator, for example, you need to make sure you're on the field. Make sure you have the field selected. You can always tell what you have selected. What layer you have selected in Fieldytics by looking at the top right. In this case, I have a field selected. I have the Kowal field selected. So I go to my action menu, go to Map, hit Go, and select the options I want. Like I said, I like my field names to weave with the area. I always exclude the summary page. In this case, because we have attributes on the map, we want to show the attributes and the labels. I'll hit Submit. And once this processes, this will create a PDF file that we can save or print. And here's the field, here's the road surrounding it, and then there you can see, we'll zoom in a little bit closer there, you can see the point and the name of the point, in that case the field entrance. So now your applicator knows right where the field entrance is, you can drive right to it and go to work.